Okay, we're here with Dan Smithwick from the Jyväskylä Jaguaret, and Dan just graduated from Brown University, played 4 years of Ivy League football. Can you tell us a little bit about the transition you made? You played defense your whole college career, and as soon as you came to Finland, you had to switch over to quarterback, and you hadn't been there since 4 years since high school. What was that like for you?
Well, it was certainly a transition. I mean, I played 4 years on the defensive side of the ball as an outside linebacker, strong safety at Brown, and actually grew up and learned the game from the offensive side, playing quarterback throughout Pop Warner in high school. And it was certainly a transition at first. It kind of had to shake off the rust a little bit, but it was. I mean, it came back pretty natural, and I mean, played a lot of football on that side when I was younger. So I mean, defensively, I think it actually helped as well with that experience, just in college, and really just having a more comprehensive understanding of the game.
We noticed only your second game in Finland, you threw for 200 yards, ran for 100, threw for a touchdown, and ran for a touchdown. You had a great game. Why didn't you play in week 3 after that?
Well, I actually, towards the end of the game, on actually the last drive, I was playing free safety and made a break and kind of had a pretty big collision, a nice helmet-to-helmet hit, and after the game just started noticing some symptoms. I spoke to Coach Jensen and our trainer, and immediately they were extremely helpful, responsive, and they noticed that I may have a concussion. They directed me to Terveystalo, which is one of our primary sponsors, and it's one of the best healthcare centers in Finland, and they conducted all the tests. I had the CT scan, and they took great care of me and actually held me out because of that concussion, which it was unfortunate, but they take it extremely seriously, and I was taken care of equally, if not better, than back at home in the States.
Okay. Final question. What have you gained from your experience here playing football in Finland?
Well, playing over here has certainly been experience, to say the least. That's both on and off the field. It's been football kind of in its purest form, and with just playing with guys who really just love the game. And playing for the Jaguars here in Jyväskylä has been an unbelievable experience. The guys they preach perhe out here. They love the family dynamic of the team, and that's really promoted, and that's something that's really grown and developed throughout the season. And just working with these guys and on and off the field, I mean, it really bringing all of us in with open arms into the Finnish culture, and football is kind of an avenue that we all kind of come together through, and really just integrating into the culture here in Finland has been something special, and just seeing all the places and speaking the language and talking to everyone who lives here, and just coming from such a different world, but realizing there are so many similarities, and there are so much that kind of transcends different parts of the world, and kind of how everyone comes together through the game of football has been special.
Okay, thanks a lot.